Welcome to this review of the rechargeable USB bicycle horn. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the charger cable. Here's the horn. Now this is the mounting hardware, and here's where the horn sound comes out of. Let's take a look at the manual. It's in English as well as Chinese. Okay, now right over here is the charger port. So you have to open this cover. And you plug it in right here. That's how you charge it. Okay, so I'm going to test the sound. So those are the sounds. Okay, so I'm going to be mounting it on the bicycle. Okay, so I'm going to mount it on the handlebars. Okay. I'm going to install the horn. First, put it on the handlebar. Just stretch this and put it over the loop. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a demonstration, so please stay tuned. Okay, this was a review of the rechargeable USB bicycle horn. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video. Thank you for tuning in.